Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make bread pudding. It needs few ingredients and you will love the taste. Let's start. First I am going to caramelize the sugar. Today I am taking 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now I am melting the sugar in medium flames. After sugar melted and color changed, then add 150 milliliters of boiling water gradually. Now keep stirring the sugar for about 8 to 10 minutes. Don't stop in between. Check with your hand. If it is sticky, it's ready to take out from the stove. Now I am taking it out from the stove and immediately transfer into the pudding pan. Now spread the caramelized sugar evenly in the pan. Next I am taking 4 medium-sized eggs and whisk them little bit. Now I am taking 380 grams of condensed milk and add to the bowl. Then add water to the same container, so you don't need to measure the water again. Now add the water into the mixture and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix everything together for about 2 minutes. Then strain the mixture. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Now I am taking 8 slices of white bread and cut them into smaller pieces. Then add a layer of bread into the pan. And I am adding some chocolate chips in between the bread layers, and this is optional. If you've seen my videos for the first time, don't forget to follow me on the Facebook, like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Next add the mixture into the baking pan. If you're still watching the video and if you like more pudding recipes, comment below, as I love pudding. Have you tried my recipes before? If so, I would like you to rate the results in the Facebook page review from 1 to 5. Preheat your oven for 5 minutes in 180 Celsius, then you can transfer the pudding to the oven. Bake the pudding for 30 to 40 minutes in 180 Celsius. Check with a bamboo stick. If your pudding is ready, bamboo stick will come out clean, without anything stuck around. Now let it cool down and then transfer to the fridge. You may have to keep this in the fridge for a couple of hours. After couple of hours, pudding is ready to transfer to the serving dish. See how nice this pudding looks. You can now enjoy the pudding with your family. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Thank you for watching the recipe. See you in the next recipe. Thank you.